Only we can make our life easier, even easier. Internet, Web 2. Our life is full of travel just because of us. We lead our life and think too much complexity way. The way we think this is a big scam. Din and Basil life has made us machine. Work, run, work, run, work, run is the common phenomenon in everyday basis. Only for this grand pain and pressure, we haven't gotten only 10 minutes. For us, it's day, which is ridiculous, and this all are scam. Will always we convey us that we are busy. We are busy just because of rid of other significant part in life. Also, we love in to remain the comfort zone. Go away from that comfort zone and throw it into your dustbin. What if our life hadn't that type of any pressure, any pain? Yeah, it's possible. It's possible, and totally depends on our mentality, on our lifestyle, on our thinking, and others' way. How actually we lead our life and our lifestyle, this is ridiculous. On the contrary, only we can make our life easier, even easier. Always we should do our sweet will. Always we should do listen of our inner heart, and which type of problem, pain, pressure, these all are worthless. So never take this too much crucially. Forget this. And if we can do this, definitely we will find of our peace and happiness. We can be peace in life. Nevertheless, choice is yours. Be humble, please plant more plantation and save our planet. If you love this video, hit like, comment and share with your friends, family, neighbors, anyone you can do. And never forget to tap on subscribe and follow button for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching of my video as yet, and that's all.